How to connect Notion with ChatGPT. In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Notion with your ChatGPT. So to get started, go ahead and open Notion into your device. And then at the top left of your screen, you'll be able to find your name. So click on it and then click on settings under it. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the connections tab. Now, to be able to connect AI applications to your Notion account, you need to go ahead and use Notion MCP. So click on Explore under Notion MCP. And as you can see, you'll be able to find ChatGPT under it. So click on Connect to connect ChatGPT to your Notion account, and then that will take you to ChatGPT. And then on ChatGPT, go ahead and head over to App and Connection. So in here, you just need to select Notion to connect it to Notion, and then you need to authorize the connection between Notion and ChatGPT. And that is how you can basically connect Notion with ChatGPT.